Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a developer, you already know how GitHub Copilot is revolutionizing the way we write code. But are you using it to its full potential? Today, I'm going to show you 4 GitHub Copilot keyboard shortcuts you have to know in 2025 to code faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Ever been in a situation where GitHub Copilot doesn't automatically suggest code? Don't worry. Just hit Ctrl+Enter or Command+Enter on Mac to manually trigger suggestions. Watch this. Boom! Now you can choose from multiple suggestions and keep coding without missing a beat. Once you see a suggestion you like, simply press Tab to accept it. It's that easy. This shortcut alone will save you hours of typing. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever coded without it. Sometimes GitHub Copilot gives you more than one option. To cycle through them, use Alt+right bracket for the next suggestion and Alt+left bracket for the previous one. This is perfect for when you're not 100% sure about the first suggestion. Just cycle through, pick the best one, and keep moving forward. Not every suggestion is a winner. If you see something you don't need, just hit ESC to dismiss it and keep typing. No distractions, no wasted time, just clean, efficient coding. And there you have it. 4 GitHub Copilot keyboard shortcuts that will take your coding game to the next level in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which shortcut you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!